Hello everyone, and I'll show you how to enable or disable your auto rotate on your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. So in order to do that, scroll down from the top of your screen to open your quick settings. Scroll it down. Now here you can find your auto rotate point. So in order to do that, simply click on it, and now your auto rotate is enabled. Let's check it in the gallery. So let's go open up some picture. Now as we rotate it, it rotates according to your phone. If you want to turn off this function, simply go back to your quick settings, scroll down and click on auto rotate one more time. Now it's disabled and nothing will rotate despite how hard you turn it. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.